Hey guys, welcome back to Cyber Geek. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create your own word list. Where many of you were asking why I have so many password list over here on my interface. It's all because I was trying to hack one Wi-Fi network, yeah, of my own only. I was just trying to do it by changing its password, and I was trying so many word list over here. You can see, you can find it on the internet itself. You can download it, and there was the most popular word list, which is RockU word list. Why it is most popular? Many of them is asked, and yeah, our today's video concern is fully is going to be on word list. So let's talk about the word list only. So why it is most popular? Because the hacked, if you used to get news, then sometimes Google has been hacked, or some kind of website has been hacked, or TikTok, or whatever, WhatsApp, or whatever you're hearing, or Facebook. What happened is that when they used to get hacked, the hacker used to try steals the credentials, or the that's what password and username, and they used to sell it on darknet. Okay, so what they used to do, whatever they used to get, they used to make it as a word list, or they used to save it. The actual one which you are seeing over here, it's been actually a username or a password. Oh my god, what's wrong with this? So actually the actual usernames and passwords which has been used by people, which is put it in this word queue word list. Okay, so it's gonna take time. Leave it this one. Okay, so our main concern about in today's video is that how can you create your one word list for performing some attack, right? So in Kali Linux by default there is a tool comes called as Crunch, which is called crunch dash help. Over here you can see Crunch version 3.6 I have. This will come in Kali Linux by default. All you have to do is that you can use it this tool to create your own word list, right? So now what I'm gonna do is that let me just minimize. It's very simple, you no need to worry. Oh my god. Okay, let me just minimize this, bring it. Yeah, let me just maximize, let me just clear it. So this is very simple. How can you create your own word list? Let me show you the basic one, how you do it for by default. So for example, if you want to create your word list, you have to type nothing, crunch, that's it. um, Type dash help if you get stuck anywhere. So you see over here the command which is been already given, which is crunch space minimum space maximum. So minimum means how many letters do you want as a minimum, either 3 letters, 2 letters, or 7 or 6, like that you want to keep it and you want to do it. Or you can start from 3 to 1, that's your minimum. And how maximum you want to keep it, either you want to keep it 16, either you want to keep it 10, or either you want to keep it 5 is your maximum length of your word list. So we're gonna type crunch. My minimum letter is going to be 3 and my maximum is going to be 5. Now what on what basis you want to create the word list? For example, you have, let's keep our goal. No, let me just first explain you nicely. I want to use the password which contains A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and it has some numbers also. So now, sorry, it's gonna create and word is based on the given letters and numbers, which the minimum number is going to be 3 and the maximum is going to be 7. So now how do you create and save it on your output? So all you have to do is that you have to type over here dash o for output, and you have to type your, what is that, word list name. So you have to type, all you have to type is that, um, oops, sorry for this, I just messed up. Better you go on desktop. Okay, no need to worry, you have to just type crunch 3 space 5 A B C D E F G H 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and dash o is your output, and now your file name, which I'm gonna type as word1 dot txt. Either you can give txt or lst for your extension name, and you hit enter. Okay, so it has been already created over here, you can see on my desktop. Yep, that's fine to keep it on desktop. Now the size of the file is only 2 MB. based on its length. Now if I open it, you see over here minimum is 3, then it keeps going, it will go 3. Okay, let's go see how many combination of passwords do we get. Now you get 4. If I stop it, just see it's 4. Oops, I came to 3 back. Okay, sorry. So this is 4 1. Oh, sorry, I mean this is the 5 1. If you go up, yeah, whatever, 3 and 5, the maximum length is 5. You can see the minimum was 3. Okay, this is the basic way of creating a word list. Let me just clear it. Now I'm gonna teach you guys how can you create a strong word list. Strong word list for using on your any Wi-Fi router or any hacking purpose. If you remember my previous video, the lucky ones who have watched my Instagram hack videos, those the lucky one. If you have seen that one, I have said right, you can create your own word list. You can use this tool for doing so. You don't have to type all the time. You can just give whatever the guessing letters and you can use it over here. Yeah, some of them have watched my Instagram hack videos. They have seen, and it has been removed by YouTube because of this. I got strike on that too, so it's been removed. For those who have seen, you can do, and for those who are watching now, you can do is for Wi-Fi hack videos like how to hack Wi-Fi. You are just thinking the password can be contain this kind of letters and they can do the attack. So how to create the strong one? You can just keep crunch. So let's keep, for example, our Wi-Fi password. The minimum is the 8 letter, we all know, and maximum we can go till 12. Let's assume it's 12. You don't have to give any letters over here. We don't want to specify what it contain, what it doesn't contain. Just keep leave it blank. Just give dash o and type word word2.txt. Right now we gave a limited in previously we just entered abcdefgh 1 2 3. It was as limited and it has from 3 to 5 as a length. Okay, right now we are going to create the strong word list which contains from letter 8 to 12, and we are not giving any parameters what it should contain. So by default it will make one of the strongest one. So I have hit enter. Now you can see one of the thing. Okay, now you see over here crunch tool will now generate the following data which has this many bytes. It's not a joke. Okay, you can see how many MBs it is, how many GB it is, how many terabyte it is, and how many petabyte it is. Just think, 1 terabyte. So it's going, I don't know when it's gonna complete itself. Yes, it's really gonna take long time to complete it. Yeah, you can see it's showing 0%, 0%, 0%. I'm damn sure it's gonna take a way long time. Wait. Let's just stop it. I don't want to create that strong word list right now because it's really gonna take time. Okay, for example, let's just give some parameter. If I were hacking some kind of geo tool, yeah, then you can just give geo 5. Okay, and password number can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 0 include 0 also space and hit enter. Okay, now still it's going to take as a terabyte. It's really gonna take time, which I don't have. Let's stop. Sorry for stopping all the time. I cannot do anything because it's really taking so much time. Let's keep the length as 4 and 6 and hit enter. Now you can see it contains only 53 MB, so it should be done within few minutes. Yeah, it's been done. And you can see over here the second word list which contains geo and those numbers, and it is much bigger than the previous one which was 2 MB. It's not opening. It's the issue. Let me just open the first one. Okay, there is an issue. I think it's not functioning. Basically you can just use this tool to create your own word list. If you are going for the bigger ones, it's really gonna take time. 717 terabyte, you know how big this file is, and if it's entering petabyte, you already know how big it's going to be. So if your system is not fast enough, it's really going to take a long time. It's going to take hours to complete the whole word list. You can see I cannot even open it. None of them is opening right now. I think some issues going on. It's slowed my system. Okay, so you can use this tool to create an excellent word list, and you can do your attack on any network or whatever you want to do with that. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video with some more hacking stuffs. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.